முருகா சரணம். வெற்றிவேல் முருகனுக்கு அரோஹரா. இன்றைய திருப்புகழ் இசை வழிபாடல பாடல் எண் 117, சாங் நம்பர் 117, இருமலு ரோக. This song is composed in Asaveri Ragam and this was sung at Thiruttanigal Malai. In this song, Saint Arunagirinathar is requesting Lord Muruga to bless everyone with good health. He also says acute cough, fits, muyalakan, which is something to do with the diseases of the brain, arthritis, toxic diseases like cancer, poison, diabetes, diseases related to the stomach, anemia. Nothing should affect the body, not just in this birth, but in every birth. So, Lord Muruga, please bless everyone with your grace and give good health to everyone. As health is very important, health is vital, and health is wealth.